Most local government purchases are discussed months before an RFP is released, across city council meetings and committee discussions. With Starbridge, you can describe exactly what types of opportunities you're looking for, and our AI agents search across hundreds of thousands of public sector sources to uncover buying signals before competitors do. For example, let's say we're looking for cities and counties that mention replacing legacy ERP or payroll systems. You can search this directly in Starbridge. Next, you can narrow your search to a specific buyer list or target your market using filters like buyer type, population, propensity to spend, and more. Starbridge's AI search agents scan meetings across your market and return the discussions most likely to indicate active demand. You can refine the search with specific search phrases and define what makes a signal a strong match, such as ideal procurement timing. Each signal includes a summary of what was discussed, why it matters, and how strongly it aligns with your criteria. You can preview the signals and continue refining your search criteria until you're happy with the results. Once you launch your Bridge or Starbridge's smart spreadsheets powered by our AI agents, it becomes a live intelligence feed. You can enrich each signal with useful insights, for example, pulling the key decision maker of the account. Go to Add Enrichment, Enrich Contact, and describe the target buyer profile, such as person involved in technology purchasing, evaluating, and budget approval. You can even specify titles like IT director, CIO, or CTO. Next, you can also specify what contact fields you want to be enriched, for example, name, title, and email address. Once you have the decision maker details, you can generate personalized outreach tailored to that meeting discussion, helping your team engage buyers while projects are still taking shape. Click Add Enrichment again, and this time create personalized outreach. You can build your email from scratch or describe in plain language the email you want to write. Starbridge will automatically generate a personalized email with dynamic attributes tailored to that buying signal. You can edit it to your liking and run the column. As new discussions emerge, Starbridge continuously monitors your market and delivers relevant opportunities directly to your feed, inbox, or CRM. And that's how teams identify opportunities before formal procurement begins, by monitoring what buyers are discussing while projects are still taking shape. And meetings are just one signal source. Starbridge also tracks RFPs, contracts, purchase orders, grants, job changes, and custom web signals, so your team never misses an opportunity across the market. See it in action at starbridge.ai.